Alright, so here you can see we have the 84132, it's 2013 and newer Dodge Ram with the 6.7 Cummins. I'm going to unpackage this for you so you can see what you're getting. Very attractive packaging here. It's like a little gift box. Alright, so there we have the manual. I guess it's kind of a binder type. The instructions, looks like some advertisement, some nice, what do you call those, poofy sticker badges. Nice warning. The full user manual. We have a quick start guide, I believe, is what's on the other side here behind the advertising. Quick install guide, there it is. One quick install guide for CTS2. And there we actually have the unit, very well padded in there. Update, it says remove the padding. Here we see the connector for the underhood ECM, as well as the OBD2 port cable, the HDMI connection. There's the new updated connection for the, you can see right here on the edge, CTS2 Insight. There is also a USB cord for updating, connecting to your computer. Right there's the small USB. What is that? An A, I believe. Mini A. Not. I just know it's a small USB. It's not the tiny one. It's not the micro USB. But there you go. So stay tuned, and we will get this up and running on our 2013 Dodge.